Description: leave-in conditioner for chemically treated hair repairs and helps brighten blonde hair with KerActive protein. Benefits: color safe, paraben free. Suggested use: spray lightly onto damp hair. Style as desired. For best results, use with Forever Blonde shampoo and Forever Blonde conditioner. Paul Mitchell Forever Blonde shampoo. 1. Gently cleanse lightened and highlighted hair with this sulfate-free, without SLS, SLES, ALS, shampoo. Paul Mitchell Forever Blonde conditioner. 2. Follow with this keratin conditioner to deeply hydrate and detangle while helping to repair damage. Paul Mitchell Forever Blonde Dramatic Repair. 3. Generously mist onto damp hair, from ends to roots, to strengthen and seal the cuticle. Top reviews from the United States. Hair in a bottle. The smell is lovely. Tames hair like nothing else. Smooths and repairs split ends, adds just the right amount of moisture making hair soft and manageable. Good for natural hairstyles, even better for chemically treated hair. Can't live without this product, well worth the extra money.